Welcome to a new level of bathroom elegance with the Eachope No Hooks Polyester Textured Shower Curtain and Snap-in Fabric Liner Set, designed to bring a hotel luxury vibe right to your home. Crafted from high-quality, thick polyester fabric, this beige curtain combines durability with a modern, stylish design that complements any bathroom decor effortlessly. Experience the convenience of a ringless shower curtain featuring innovative open rings for easy hanging, eliminating the need for hooks or removing your shower rod. The snap-on fabric liner is not only detachable for easy cleaning but also includes magnets at the bottom corners to keep it securely in place and prevent water splashing. Enjoy the semi-translucent mesh window at the top that lets natural light in while maintaining privacy, creating a spa-like atmosphere during your shower. Sized to fit most standard bathrooms, this curtain measures 71 by 74 inches, with the liner at 70 by 54 inches, perfectly balancing function and style. Elevate your bathroom's look and feel with a product designed for both luxury and practicality. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.